Hello everyone, welcome back to my computer project. Last week I said I was going to get the program counter here tied up to the clock. As you see, the clock's going away there. And yeah, it's tied into that. You can see the blue lights counting up. And I've tied this to the bus around here. And yeah, so if it's outputting already because of this wire here, but if I hold down one of the registers, register inputs, you'll see it start ticking up. So it just goes from, it's just the first 4 bits at the moment, it just does 0 to F, which is 15. That's because the program counter at the moment is only has 4 boards for counting on it. There's the 3 other boards. The top one is the tri-state buffer to output to the bus, and the second one and the third one are inputs. So it reads from the bus and it will change. It will actually set the clock to whatever's on the bus. But yeah, that's working. It's doing live magic. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What else did I want? Okay, so yeah, I had to change this. So if you remember, I had the long boards here, and I've now changed them for these smaller stacks. This is actually the second one I built because the first one used PNP transistors, and because the current, at least when you're dealing with RAM or with the memory, the current that comes out of it when it's meant to be low is so small, there wasn't enough current going from the emitter of the PNP transistor to the base, so not enough of it was going out. So I had to go back to NPN transistors, and yeah, that just works. Yeah, so I'm thinking about expanding this. I don't know if I'll do it yet or not. One thing I do actually want to do is sort of fix these wires here. These are all for controlling things. So these will be part of the control word, which is similar to a bus but bigger, and it's always on. Basically everything reads its own bit from the control word. Yeah, so that's going to be a bit of a faff because these are really long wires. They go all around everywhere. So basically every component will have a line going to it from one other place. At the moment it's just a front panel, but eventually it will be a board that reads, is part of the instruction register or the instruction memory sequencer controller thing. And yeah, that'll tell it what the control word is meant to be and go out to all these lines. But for that, I don't actually have a place for these lines at the moment, so they're all over the place and getting in the way. I did sort out the front panel a bit so that I can actually take it off and lay it flat now. That's another reason I want to fix those control lines. Yeah, so that'll have to come off again and fix some more things. But yeah, otherwise it's working. You can set the other register as well and add them. It's quite interesting. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you.